Okay, so I'm in Terminal 7. I need to get back to Terminal 4. So we're gonna see how long it takes. Almost there. That's not true. It's really far away. Okay, so this terminal talks about different cities and what's going on in the different cities. So we had Las Vegas back there, we had Seattle founded in 1907, Pax Best Market is the oldest market. Melbourne, largest stained glass window. Up here we've got Mexico City. We got Paris, City of Lights. Mexico City. First printing press in 1539 was used in Mexico City. Now we got New York City, 4,000 street food vendors. Vancouver, I don't know. So they get the greenest city. Then we've got Tokyo, most extensive urban railroad network. I really have to go check that out. Almost there. We're going, we're going, we're going.
It's a long way.
It is a long way, isn't it? So I think it may take like 15 minutes to get back to Terminal 4. But the good thing is you don't have to go outside and then go back through security. Like many airports in the US, you have to go outside to change terminals if you're not flying with the same airline. So at least in this one, Rome, Phoenix, I don't even know why Phoenix is here, but it's huge. I feel so all alone because not many people come under here. London, oldest underground, 1863, San Francisco, Golden Gate Bridge. Continuously painted and repainted all the time. So long the time paint. So it's time to start over. Oh, that's actually quite funny. And so, that's the tunnel. Whew. Okay, so that's one tunnel. It ain't over yet. We continue. Terminal 6 and 7. Now we got Terminal 5 and 4 in Bradley. That's if you're going outside. This is if you're ready to come back again.
That is such a sad one.
But yeah. Tell where your flights are. This goes back up to the terminals. Terminal 6 and 7. Then you continue towards 4. So the floor decor is the same, but this tunnel talks about the history of flight. So 1952, we have jet planes commercially. 58, 1 million people cross the Atlantic by air, more than any steamships. 1948, family airplanes are introduced. Ugh. I don't think we had those anymore. 1961, movies on a plane. What a concept. Chuck Yeager, fastest guy around. The Man in the Moon, Neil Armstrong. 1969. First airport is open in LaGuardia in 1939. And then we have Concorde. London in about 3 hours. Amelia Earhart, first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic. 1932. It's kind of good that they gave you all the in-flight telephone, but they didn't say what year. Charles Lindbergh is the man, 1927. 1986, Richard Rutten. I remember this guy. Commercial flights began $5 one way in 1914. 2003, in-flight Wi-Fi service introduced. Wilburn Orbiter. First successful flight. 1903. So it is now 2023. So it's only been 120 years since we've been flying. It's crazy, right? It's coming up in December. Huh. Wow. that is the history of flight in the tunnels of the airport at Los Angeles. You can take an elevator, or it gets confusing here. You can walk. Now they've been fixing this for as long as I discovered this place, and it's insane. So the elevator, the thing is broken. You have to walk. More schedules. And now, so that was about 6 minutes. But we're not there yet. If you go to gate 52A or through J, that's in the itty bitty planes, you go through here. But Terminal 4, or gate 45. So we gotta go that way. And back where we started. Just go to gate 45. Just down this way.